Hey guys, so I just got my Zinc gummies here, and so I just wanted to kind of show you guys what they look like and what they are. So let me open this up for you and show you kind of the size of them and what it says here. So it says for adults, take 2 gummies daily or as directed. And so these are just zinc gummies. I mean, I'm sure we've all heard of it. And so these have copper and magnesium in them. And there's 60 of them in here. They're sugar-free also, and these ones are the raspberry flavored. But as you can see, there's all types of, it comes with carbs in it, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, 6. I mean, is everything that is on it. So it's a bunch of supplement facts there. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to kind of show you what they are, and let me open it up and take the top off here and kind of just show you what the size of them is, so you have it for reference. Perfect. So, ooh, they smell good, but these are how big they are, the gummies. So they're not huge or anything, but you don't have to swallow them. They're gummies, so you can just chew them. So I like that. I like these, and I'm definitely going to use them for my zinc. So this is perfect, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up.